Fish?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad for them, that means delicious. So from now on, you like to eat with vinegar already?
No, depends.
Why no? Just now, you like the fish what? So ayan na guys, naluto na yung ating paksiw guys. In-steam ko siya para hindi nila malata na ano. Baka magtanong kung ano na naman yung niluto ko. Kagaya nung nagluto ako ng sisig.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi guys, this is Res Variety Network and welcome to my channel. Ngayon magluluto na naman tayo guys. At i-test ko yung amo ko na pakainin ko na paksiw. Kasi namimiss ko yung paksiw, so tingnan natin kung kakainin nila itong lulutuin ko ngayon na paksiw. Ayan. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng 2 kutsara ng suka. Kasi ayaw nga nila. First time nilang kumain ito. Pagkakainin nila mamaya. Yan. Kakain kaya nila yan. Kasi first time in history, 13 years na akong nagtatrabaho dito. At ngayon ko lang sila papakainin ng paksiw. Hate na hate pa naman ni baby yung bunso, yung baby ang tawag namin, pero 13 years old na yun. Yun ang pinakamalakas kumain dito. Tapos baka hate na hate niya yung vinegar. Ayaw niya yung vinegar. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano ang resulta. Kakainin nila o hindi. Naminis ko kasi talaga yung paksiw. At saka wala akong ibang maisip na na recipe, so yan ang naisipan ko. Prituhin ko sana, pero nung isang araw nagprito na ako ng isda, so pinaksiw ko na lang. So ayan guys, 2 piraso, 2 hiwa na lang natira guys sa isda, sa paksiw. So masarapan yung mga chukwa sa paksiw. Kinain talaga nila. Fish?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad for them, that means delicious. So from now on, you like to eat with vinegar already?
No, depends.
Why no? Just now, you like the fish what?
Depends.
Yeah, it depends. I don't put so much vinegar lah. Don't cover your face.
Everything.
Please open your face. This is baby. He don't like vinegar, but just now I cook the paksiw. Then it's very delicious. Then he like to eat. How many? And then you like the sauce, the gravy.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad, not bad. So that's all guys for today's vlog about the paksiw. Tinas ko sila kung magugustuhan nila kasi dati ayaw talaga nilang kumain ng with vinegar, so hindi ko sila nilutuan ng paksiw. So from now on, pwede na ako magluluto ng paksiw. Makakain na ako lagi ng paksiw. Can you say subscribe? Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Busy kasi yan sa what are you playing?
I'm not playing it, just be careful.
Yeah, he is shy. He don't like to show his face. He want to be famous in YouTube. Eh? You're handsome. Why shy? Say bye. What's bye in Chinese?
Yes, Sayonara.
Sayonara? No. Tai Chen.
That's it.
I know, right? Bye-bye.